Hey, welcome to Food Canopy. Today we are going to make Udupi Kashi Halwa. This is simple dump and go recipe. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and add 3 teaspoons of ghee at bottom of the pan. Let's spread it out evenly. I have 600 grams of winter melon, ash gourd, de-seeded and grated. Let's go ahead and add it at the bottom of the pot. Please spread it evenly at the bottom of the pot. Please do not squeeze the water out of winter melon after shredding. Just remove the excess water which oozes out while grating. Let's go ahead and add around 12 to 15 strands of saffron in 2 to 3 tablespoons of juice of winter melon. Warm it up before adding it to the pot. Adding saffron gives a nice color to the halwa. I am adding a pinch of salt to enhance the sweetness of halwa. Let's go ahead and add 200 grams of raw cane sugar to the pot. Make sure you spread it evenly inside the pot. Let's squeeze 1/4 piece of lime or lemon inside the pot. Lemon juice will stop crystallization of sugar after the halwa cools down. Top it up with cashew nuts. Let's go ahead and close the lid of the pot. Please adjust the valve to venting mode. This is the most critical step for this recipe. Please select the steam mode on high pressure and adjust the timer for 12 minutes. Winter melons by nature hold excessive amount of water. You might feel that this recipe takes long, but you do not have to do any saute to remove water as you would do in the traditional method. We are retaining the nutrition as well as the taste of the winter melon by retaining the water. Start an optional timer of 45 minutes as a safe reminder for yourself. The cook time of 12 minutes will begin at around 30 to 35 minutes and your halwa should be ready after cook time is over. The quantities and cook time shown in this video will remain same for 3 quarts and 6 quart cookers and will yield around 400 grams of halwa. You will observe that the amount of steam venting out of valve reduces drastically towards the end of cooking process. Your halwa might char a little at the bottom of the pot. The charring is part of the caramelization process and will be easily released while stirring due to the coating of ghee at bottom of pot. After timer for 12 minutes is over, press cancel. Please wait for float valve to fall down. Open the lid and stir the halwa while it cools down. You could add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder once the halwa is done. I have not added it here. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch our other excellent recipes. Thank you.